Hello viewers, today we are in Çankaya. Actually, Çankaya is the heart of Ankara. Ankara is second largest city of the Turkey. This is very beautiful place of Turkey, and right now you are looking Kuğulu Park. It's front of you, and my right side is on the front side immigration office of the Turkey, and on my right side you can see the five-star hotel Sheraton, and just on the right Sheraton hotel is a Pakistan consulate. This is most beautiful and hot place in Turkey, in Ankara. As you see, the Kuğulu Park is my left side, and I'm gonna show you one important and interesting thing today. This is all beautiful garden, beautiful park for humans, and a special thing is that on right side in the garden the doggy separate portion is available here. This is very interesting. This all places for pet animals. This is the play area of the doggies, and this one. And here is the soup place. One little doggy is playing here. Inside the beautiful park, the doggies separate portion is available here. This is very interesting in Turkey. And now I'm gonna show you the beautiful park. Let's start. Beautiful ducks are swimming in the beautiful lake. Today is sunny day. This is winter season, and today temperature is -2 in Turkey. Here is other ducks eating something. I think this is lunchtime of the ducks. All ducks are enjoying in the lake with the beautiful fountain. You can listen the beautiful voice of the ducks. And now I'm gonna show you a beautiful fountain inside the park. You can see the beauty of fountain right now in front of you. This water is coming from the mountain and coming here, and going to the lake. And inside the park, this is the beautiful lake. All ducks are very hungry and eating something. Some people are dropping some food for ducks.